In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Activecampaign in just about 5 minutes. This seemingly technical task can become quite easy with the right guide, and that's exactly what I'm here to offer. Whether you're looking to start your first email campaign or simply want to add new contacts to your list, this tutorial will help you accomplish that efficiently and effectively. First, let's start with the basics. Accessing your Activecampaign account, open your preferred web browser and head to the Activecampaign website. On the home page, you'll find the login option, usually located at the top right corner. Click on it to proceed. Once you have clicked on login, you will be prompted to enter your username. It's important to enter the details as accurately as possible to avoid any login issues. After entering your username, click on the login button to continue. The next step requires you to input your email address. Be sure to use the email associated with your Activecampaign account for a smooth login process. Following the email, the system will ask for your password. Enter it carefully and then click on the login button to access your account. If you've entered your credentials correctly, you will be taken to the Activecampaign home screen. This is your dashboard where all the magic happens, from campaign creations to managing your contacts. Now that we're logged in, let's dive into the main agenda. Importing contacts. On your dashboard, look for the Contacts option. This will typically be on your left-hand side in the navigation menu. Clicking on it will take you to your Contacts page. On the Contacts page, you'll notice an Import option. This is your gateway to adding multiple contacts to your list in one go. Click on Import and you'll be presented with several import options. Since we're focusing on importing contacts from a file, look for the Import from File button and click on it. This step is crucial because it determines how you upload your contacts. You might have a CSV or an Excel file ready with all the contact details you wish to import. Once you've clicked on Import from File, you'll be prompted to select the file you want to import, navigate through your directories and select the appropriate file. After selecting the file, it's time to upload it by clicking on the Import button. Following the upload, you'll see a confirmation message or screen indicating that your import is complete. It's a simple notification to let you know that the contacts from your file are now successfully uploaded to your Activecampaign account. A few additional tips to enhance this process include ensuring that your contact file is properly formatted according to Activecampaign's guidelines. This helps in avoiding any upload errors or issues with data mismatch. Also, if you're importing a large number of contacts, patience is key. Give the system a few moments to process all the information. Remember, importing contacts is more than just adding emails to your list. It's about growing your audience and expanding your reach. With each new contact imported, you're opening a door to new possibilities and relationships. And there you have it. You've successfully imported your contacts into Activecampaign. This process, which might seem daunting at first, can be completed in no time with the right steps. By following this tutorial, you now have the skills to keep your contact list growing and your campaigns thriving. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Whether you're new to Activecampaign or looking to refine your skills, I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, every great campaign starts with a great contact list, and now you're well on your way to building yours. Happy emailing!